Hello everyone, I'm Deborah. Welcome to my channel. I do mostly clothing unboxing videos, but today I have something different. My first Rocksbox unboxing. Rocksbox is more like a jewelry rental service. You pay $21 a month. They send you 3 items and you can keep what's in your box as long as you want. You're just charged $21 every month. As soon as you return your box, they send out 3 more items. And when I signed up, I didn't have to pay the $21 the first month. I signed up through someone's code, which I will put my code below if you want to try it. You get the first month free, and you still get the $21 credit toward anything in your box if you decide to purchase something. I got an additional $5 credit for putting at least, I think it was 30 items on my wish list. So if I decide to purchase something in this box, I can get $26 credit toward an item. So let's see what they sent. Let's see. So here's the box. It says Ready, Set, Sparkle. It's really pretty packaging. Oh, Oliver will try to chew it up. No, that's not for you. Let's see. It has a care card. Oh, okay, here's a mystery gift card, win up to $100, so I'll have to see about that. Welcome to the Rocksbox family. Okay, and let's get to the actual jewelry. Well, let me show you first. They come in these little bags. Okay, the first item is a pair of earrings. They're really pretty. I love that pink stone, and they are by Ava Rose, the Berkeley earrings in gold and rose quartz for $42 if I wanted to purchase them. They were really pretty. I like them. They would match a lot of what I wear. Okay, and the second item, ooh, this is pretty. It's a necklace. Oh, I like that. Let's see. It's by Wilde, Giza necklace in mixed metal. Retail price $65, but the promo price is $50. I really like it. It wouldn't look great with this shirt, but let's see. That's really pretty. And you know, you can wear the jewelry even if you're not going to purchase it because you're renting it. You're just paying $21 a month, so I will try to wear this before I send it back, but I don't think I'll purchase it. Okay. And the last piece is, it says Elizabeth Stone. It's really pretty. Another necklace. Let's see. It kind of looks like a snowflake or a flower. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, let me take the other one off and I'll try that one on. Okay, this one is by Elizabeth Stone. It's the Flora coin pendant for $54. That's a lot. Looks like it's adjustable. Has 3 different places you can, lengths you can put it at. And again, it's not good with this shirt that I'm wearing with the cross front, which I just got in my Stitch Fix. But you can see that that would look good with a lot of different things. So, I don't know. I've got the $26 credit, so I could buy one of these items, or I could send them back. As long as I send it back and get another box by the end of the month, I could choose something else, because you can get as many boxes as you want during the month for that $21. They send another one out as soon as you send yours back. So I'll have to decide if I'm going to keep this for a while and wear them And also, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep doing this. I don't know if I really want to spend $21 a month to rent jewelry, but I thought I would try it and see how I liked it. So if I wanted to buy everything in this box, the subtotal is $146, but I would get my monthly credit of $21. You get that off one time per month. My forever credit of $5, which I got for filling up my wish list. And then the buy all three discount of $10. I could purchase all three items for $110. So that's a lot, but it is nice jewelry and they are very pretty. Hey, I wanted to come back to say I went and put in my code and I got $15 off, which means in addition to the $21 monthly fee, the $5 for creating a wish list, I got $15, so that adds up to $41. These earrings, whoops, these earrings are $42, so I can buy these earrings for $1. Or I can buy all three items, which I'm still wearing the necklace, I really like it, for $95. So I'll have to think about that. Okay, well thanks for watching today. Be sure and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe below if you want to see more from me.